dosa. These are the ingredients needed. Try to stick to the proportions of the wheat flour and rice flour because that can change a lot in the texture of the dosa. So mix all the ingredients and prepare it. The things that you add are actually totally up to you depending on what you have, like green chilies, coriander, curry leaf. If you have, add them. If not, you can still make dosa without it. And the consistency is watery, like what you see there. And then heat the pan. So for this dosa, the pan has to be slightly hot before you start making the dosa. So just let it warm up for a bit and then you can start pouring the dosa. So if you see, it's not like how you do the normal dosa. So you need to pour the dosa and it will form holes like that. And just add oil and let it cook fully. Okay, try to keep it in medium heat to low heat. And the top will look well cooked, and then you can just check the sides and see if it's done. And then when it's ready, you can just flip it. So let it cook for some more time till it's crispy, and then it's ready to be served. This can be had with chutneys or podi also.